Bit of workshop day, had a good clean up. People that know me, I like to keep my workshop as clean as I can, considering it's a body shop. It's pretty hard. Got Ulendo on the ramp still, so we'll be doing a few more bits on that. So yeah, keep watch.
And now on BBC One, the world's first 1970s van life series, charting course. We're staring up the road, that must mean we're going on an adventure. Good morning everybody, it is a very brisk, almost 9 AM here in February. February the 14th actually, Valentine's Day of 2023. And today we're going on another little adventure with the one, the only, Deborah Deeb, the electric mum. So mum and I are going off to South West Kustom once more to go and check up on Ulendo's progress because of course Ulendo's been in there for months now, almost 6 months! It's almost been 6 months as of I think March, and it's getting towards the kind of midpoint of February now, so you know I'm really kind of I'm a bit anxious and I'm like, oh come on, please be done before summer. We're just gonna go and check out the progress and see what happens. Really excited for today. I'm so thrilled because a lot of work has been done. We've seen a lot of photos on Facebook. Progress has been steady. Dan has been phenomenal as always. His professionalism is above any bar that could ever be set, has been exceeded with Dan. He's just fantastic. Communication and professionalism and quality of work and just everything is just fantastic. We're really pleased to have him. There she is, looking glamorous. Well, off we go.
Off we go.
Yes, finally. Oh. I didn't think you would actually be here. Let me just... There's the peacock.
Yeah, he is. See the flutter of his wings. Striped.
And here, the electric blue peacock in its natural environment.
There's the log.
There's the log. Oh yes, the famous log. Okay, let's go. Go in the front door.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. You alright?
Yeah, not too bad.
Good.
Let's have a nosy then.
Absolutely. It's lovely bloody weather, isn't it?
Oh, it's nice. It makes a difference. When it's like this, it is nice. So we've done this all done here on the inside.
Yeah. Oh my god! She's too good at this. I just love it. I love it.
And,
wow.
Right, if we go this section here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember, but this was what had all the plates on top.
Yeah, I saw your photos on Facebook. Did photos of the work before it was copperized.
So we've made all this, we've put all these back in.
Yeah.
Our bead roller, made all this, so try to make it look all original as we can.
Yeah, of course.
So we've done a couple of strengthening bits inside here.
Yeah.
This bit up, we've got to do this piece yet. But there is some butts.
There's some butts, oh god. Meanwhile, inside my head. Meanwhile, outside.
So here we are again at South West Customs. It's the 14th of February. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. We have enjoyed looking at seeing the peacock again, and Infinity's got some lovely footage of the electric blue peacock strutting its way around the countryside. Infinity has gone in to the South West Kustom and Restoration area to see his beloved Ulendo, so I'm hoping he's having a good time. Hope he feels good and positive about what's been going on with the van, and over and out for now. Bye.
As we cut this away, it's rotten on the inside.
Oh shit.
And this here, I didn't realise it was, but it's another plate on top.
Okay. What, so it's like layered
Yeah.
somehow?
It's we're getting close. We might have to take all the suspension components off to actually access it. Yeah, that's that. Oh, hang on, go underneath.
Oh, all right.
Go underneath
you.
and look back.
Nice. Here?
No, this way. This way.
Oh, yeah. I gotcha.
So
Nice.
we've done all of it. Obviously not that yet.
Yeah.
And then these, made all these. As we've had to clean up some areas, it's unveiling quite a bit.
Yeah.
I took the plastic step off,
Yeah.
and it wasn't a hole. It was just covered underneath in like gunk and Schwartz and stuff.
Yeah.
So as I've cleaned it off, obviously it's made that hole.
Yeah.
If you go and have a look, and then it over
Yeah,
there
sure.
as well.
Thank you.
But it's like bits, like it's a bit here.
All right. Yeah.
It is how far you go, because this obviously now is going. I'm gonna just clean this up. I think, treat it the best we can.
Yeah. I mean, I noticed you did that with this. Like you just
Yeah.
shaved off all the rust and.
And we genelighted it and just buzzed it all back. I am concerned. I don't want to go. I'm making sure you're happy, because I don't know where this bill's going.
Yeah. Sorry, mate.
So
Sorry.
I'm okay. I'm
Yeah.
just looking out for you.
Of course. Well, at the end of the day, I think for me, I just like it to last really a bit. You know, I'd like to do the really heavy work now, so I don't have to do it again like in 5 years' time or some crap.
Yeah, fine.
But at the same time, I was aiming to hopefully maybe get on the road by this summer. So obviously, it depends on your time frame and what you're up to and how you feel about
What
it.
I'm trying to do is just knock as many hours as I can into it as often as I can. To get it done as soon as I can for you. If you're happy still, we'll just carry on.
I mean, I'm very happy. You know, I'm very happy. My mum and dad's pension fund isn't very happy, but I'm paying them back, so it's all good. So other side and then front area to do.
So we'll finish this piece. This obviously, the battery tray out. This is rotten here, but I'm hoping we can clean a lot of this up, and we'll have to make this section, I expect.
Yeah.
Oh, and then you've got the bottom of the wing gone.
How does it get to this state? Does it have to sit on the seafront for like 5 years?
The damp, the air, all the moisture in the air just gets to it. Because of the atmosphere we've got in the UK, it's not very good.
Yeah.
So if it just gets damp, even here, even sometimes through the winter it's damp in here, and the cars, it's all got moisture on it.
Yeah.
But a lot of the time when people put weld plates on, they don't treat the inside of the metal.
Okay.
So obviously that is still subtle to damp and moisture, and eventually that grows through, and then it just rots out from it. And then when it rots from the inside out, that's when you got to cut it all out. But they just get when it goes for an MOT, generally they just chuck a plate over the top, so it's solid and safe, just to get it through an MOT.
Yeah, and then you've got to do it again.
Next year,
Which I don't see the point in doing. So
rust at the end of the day, when rust is, it's very difficult to completely remove rust. It's like when you see on the seams, you don't want to get too far in ripping the whole car apart.
No, of course.
But like I say, we treat everywhere. We'll treat everywhere we can, get it all in the chassis, wax all it up. We use a product called Fur Tan, which is all the chassis and out, which is really good, as well as wax oil. But once the underneath's all done, that's just finished in our underseal. That's quite a straightforward process.
Yeah.
It's just always fabricating and metalwork, it just takes quite a bit of time.
Okay, yeah.
But I'll keep it in mind, and I'll do the best I can of keep attacking it, and then get some timescales.
Definitely. Brilliant, thank you. With Dan having eloquently explained all that he'd done, and the work looking nothing short of seamless, it was time for my mum to come and take a look. Do you want to come and take a look?
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah, it looks great, fantastic.
Yeah, you happy?
Yeah, very happy.
It is behind the canopy.
Behind the canopy.
Is that what it was before?
This is where your pension's going, Mum.
Yes, so nice. I'm glad hope it's finished by the time I reach 70. Got it back.
Well, they've run into more problems that they didn't necessarily anticipate, the floor wells and so on.
Yeah, like the whole thing, yeah. How you doing, boy?
That peacock is quite... Yeah, the door's off.
Yeah. Oh well. Work in progress, Dan.
Yeah.
Work in progress.
And as is tradition whenever we visit South West Kustom, usher her through to the WCs. They might have upgraded already. They might have a lock on the door. Toilet escapades, episode 1. Episode 3, actually.
Oh, well done, thank you. I recognise.
Oh, there's the other door.
Man cave, great. Thank you. That's fine.
I like the man cave though. Do you live in there? Do you sleep on the couch?
I used to.
You used to?
Yeah.
By the way, Mum, look behind you real quick.
Yep.
Over there.
Oh, wow.
There's my door. All right.
Seen a peacock, we've been to the loo, we've done everything.
We've done the whole South West Customs experience. She calls you customs, not custom.
Some people do, yeah.
I'm trying to teach her. I swear to God.
Sorry,
I think it's easier to say customs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is, and I think it's because it's Sainsbury's, Marks and Spencer's,
Yeah. It's funny, we had this conversation.
Tesco's.
But you don't say Asda's.
No, I know.
Yeah, exactly.
We've got a friend who always says he's going to be in Kiewit.
Yeah, I've heard that, yeah.
Bless him.
Documentation.
Oh, documentation. Okay, cool. Moment of history, opening up the map.
Ooh,
That's very nice. Look at the
it's like a mist book.
I know, it looks like Relishon, doesn't it?
It's pretty.
This really is in great condition. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be pocket-sized. There it is. Bartholomew. Wow, cool. You want me to open it?
Ooh. Road Atlas Britain.
Mm-hmm.
Motorway Atlas.
Yeah, so you've got two. They're built in! Oh, that's cool. I thought they slid out, right? I thought it was like an insert, but it's actually... It opens like that. Oh, that's great. I love it. Take a look at this. So, this is our road atlas for what we're going to be using when we're travelling. Of course, it's severely out of date, but that's part of the fun. So, 70s road atlas for all our updated street signs, so that Jokesy can keep tabs on what's
Oh, that's
coming up.
clever.
Yeah?
I like that.
This is great. And it has that old book.
The first page is Western Supermare.
No, it's not. Is it? Oh, wow! Bristol, Western Supermare! How weird is that? Oh, that's so cool. Of course, because Western Supermare is our first intended stop. Look at that. How cool is this? The design of it and the colour and the detail. Are you a bit intimidated by this?
A bit.
Because you've got to learn how to read all this. It's just so beautiful. This is way better than I thought it would be. While Ulendo's rejuvenation soldiered on in the background, I continued to purchase the occasional 1970s item or two for his triumphant return. The idea being that once he came back, I'd have everything we'd ever need so that we could pack up and start the journey immediately, including anything we'd need for his mechanical upkeep. We've been getting a lot of 70s stuff through recently, actually. We've been getting some exciting stuff from town. This is some kind of plastic awning or perhaps deck chair type material. Very 1970s looking, the design. Oh, isn't it gaudy?
You should make like a separate show, or like the 70s review show or something, or the 70s show.
I was thinking when I get Ulendo back, I'm going to do record reviews and things like
Yeah,
that.
you can call it the 70s show with Infinity Alexander.
That would be too similar to That 70s Show, though, which is that crappy sitcom.
Exactly.
That isn't entirely accurate, but yes. So we got this in town. I got this in town from a market stall holder, and she was really, really cool. This was only £15. Pretty good considering the size of it. It's absolutely massive. It's huge. Maybe going to use it as a tablecloth. I didn't actually have a thought in mind for what this is going to be until I bought it. I just thought, let's just get it and I'll make up a reason for it later. Look at that! That is what I call a flippin' tea towel. Michael gave us that for free, and through here we've been getting more records through. I've been buying stuff from the Sweet Slade T-Rex, of course, because that's all the good stuff. But of course, it wouldn't be the 70s without a bunch of Cilla Black. So I've got You're My World by Cilla Black, which just came through.
Oh, Cilla Black, so lazy!
And here's the piece de resistance. When I'm working on Ulendo, if he ever breaks down, I'm going to have to get underneath him, and the only clothes I have to wear are, you know, big brown flares and all these, you know, nice 70s clothes that I don't really want getting covered in oil if I have to do an emergency oil change. So, in order to counteract that while Jokes looks at my driving gloves, I bought a jumpsuit, because most people need mechanic suits. But of course, this is charting course. So naturally, I can't just have a normal jumpsuit. No, no, no. I need...
Oh, it looks like my Sundrop cosplay.
I need a corduroy orange and yellow vintage-looking jumpsuit, because I'm completely insane. So I'm going to try this on, because I just got it in the post.
Can I have the stickers?
Oh, God. Not impressed. But yeah, so I just got this, and hopefully Jokes can watch me as I attempt to.
There's more!
Baby. Ooh. Blimey. I'm wearing a t-shirt just for decency's sake. Actually, it's more my size than I thought it was going to be. Bloody hell. Oh, it's a bit tight. It's more like a set of pyjamas. It's not restricting my breathing, but it's nice and it shows off my figure in a flowy way. Yeah, it's nice. It's very comfy. I like it. Cool. Well, so next time you probably see this on film, a month after we actually get on the road and Ulendo decides to break down, cut back to this if that happens. Yeah, the next time you see this, it's probably, unfortunately, going to be covered in oil. You think I've got enough orange in my life?
You know the 70s, like, they didn't just know about the colours orange, yellow and brown, right? More colours existed than that.
Yeah, more colours existed, but they weren't used.
I mean...
I rest my case.
Now, you may remember in a former episode of the series, I sadly lost my main source of income, and since then I've been doing odd jobs interrupted only by the occasional disco or two. Well, it was around this time that Jokes and I took a trip to an incredible place in Bristol, one which captured our imagination and completely outdid our expectations. After our visit, Jokes then found out they were hiring, so, taking a chance, we both went in for an interview, and a few weeks later, an email appeared.
We got a job! Yes, and the same job together! Oh my God!
You should probably tell them what the job is.
No, because then people will stalk us. They'll wonder where we're going and what we're doing. Jokes and I have just sealed a job at the amazing, the sensational, the extraordinary Wake the Tiger Amazement Park in Bristol. And amazingly, because we're getting plenty of hours in the first couple of weeks of our job, that means we're able to accelerate Ulendo's restoration and also do something that we love. It's been months, hasn't it, Jokes?
Yeah.
I'm all out of breath now. So yeah, it's been months. We've been looking for jobs. We've been scouring the internet, wondering and waiting and getting multiple declines, but now finally we actually have something in the bag, so that's brilliant. We can actually start working and start working right. So I'm really, really excited. Really, really excited, especially because we love this place. We'll do a video on it in the future, but we just love this place and are completely in love with the world. So to be part of it is fantastic. I'm put down for quite a few caretaker jobs.
I know, I think you'll do
What are
well
you
for
on?
them. I'm on Explorer for all mine so far. But I would like to play the caretaker, actually, so...
Thank you, Shannon!
Shannon's so nice as well. She sounds so nice on the phone.
As soon as she came up, I was slightly nervous that Shannon was going to be like a really intimidating woman.
She's the businesswoman, but she's the complete opposite. She's so nice over the phone.
She's great. She's definitely, she's not... Way! Yes, we got a job! Oh my God, yeah!
So if anyone wants to come and do a meet and greet with us, we're available at Wake the Tiger.
Next time on Charting Course, we introduce you to the mystical world of Meridia in our new job at Wake the Tiger.
From an outsider's perspective and a worker's perspective, is both the most creatively fulfilling and exciting thing, at least I've ever done.
Michael gets the birthday surprise of his life. And Ulendo's new custom carpet arrives.
Oh my God, Stephen's gonna come round, he's gonna whip the edges up. Go in the tube!
All this and more
We bought a shower.
in the next episode of Charting Course.
The time now approaching 20 minutes past 1. Time for us to wish you a very good night. This is Richard Straker in London on behalf of all of my colleagues on BBC Television, doing just that. Good night.